Hi students, how are you? Children, now it's a prayer time. Close your eyes. Om Ashatu Ma Shatkamaya Tamasho Ma Jyodirkamaya Bhrityo Ma Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, rub your hands, touch your eyes, slowly open your eyes. Okay, children, today we are going to learn about lesson 4 decision making and repetition. Children, what is decision making? Decision making in programming is about deciding the order of execution of statement based on certain condition. Based on certain conditions are repeated a group of statements until certain specified condition are met. Decision making statement is used to check the condition and make decision based on that. Decision making statement is used to the condition and make decision on that. Okay, children. Next one is basic. Basic is a very useful programming language. Basic is a very useful programming language. The full form of basic is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Beginning basic is the programming language. Okay, children. The QB64 is an interpreter which helps us to execute programs in basics. QB64 is an interpreter which helps us to execute the program in basic. To run a QB64 program, click the run menu. Click the run menu. In the sub menu, click start, press F5. Click start, press F5. Okay, children. So, next one is print, LET, input, CLS and REM are the keywords in basic program. Once again, print, LET, input, CLS and REM are the keywords of basic program. Okay, children. Variable is memory location of the computer. Variable is memory location of the computer which store value temporarily during the execution of program. We store the value temporarily during the execution of a program. There are two types of variable. Numeric variable, alphanumeric variable is followed by dollar symbol. Next one is basic. Basic programming is used to arithmetic operation as plus, minus, star, slash, etc. Next one is print statement. Print statement help us to display the image within double quotes. Print statement help us to display the message within double quotes. Okay, children. So listen. Print statement, double quotes, message or print double quotes message variable name. Okay, children. Next one is LET statement. LET statement help us to assign the value of variable. LET statement help us to assign the value of variable. The syntax of LET statement: variable name equal to value. Variable name equal to value. Next one is input statement. Input statement accept value from the user store in variable. Input statement accept variable from Users store in the value. Input statement accept value from the user store in the variable. The syntax of input statement: variable name or message variable name. Okay children. Next one is rem. Rem is the remark statement in basic program. Rem is the remark statement in basic program. Rem statement is used to program name, purpose, another name, date of creation of a program name, purpose, date of creation of a program. The syntax of remark statement: remark, message. Okay children, next one is clear screen. CLS means clear screen. CLS statement is used to clear the screen at any point of the execution of a program. Next one is to save. Basic program in interrupted. Click on the file menu and select save as option. Type file with .bas extension and click on OK button. Children, ஸோ பேசிக் ப்ரோக்ராம்ங்கிறனால நம்ம எப்படி சேவ் பண்ணுவோம், ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண ஃபைலில் போய்ட்டு சேவ் ஆப்ஷன் கிளிக் பண்ணி சேவ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ இது வந்து ஒன் ஆஃப் த பேசிக் ப்ரோக்ராமிங் லாங்குவேஜ்னால .bas. ஸோ BAS மீன்ஸ் பேசிக். ஓகேவா, .bas கொடுத்து ஃபைலை சேவ் பண்ணணும் சில்ட்ரன். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் how to work on decision making in basic program. Next class we are going to learn about decision making programs. Okay children, today homework is do page number 27 in your workbook and question number 1, what is decision making? Okay children, you can finish your homework and submit it on Google Classroom. Okay cuties, stay safe, stay in your home, avoid screen time, drink more water. Thank you.